Hapless. Unlucky, unfortunate. Example: the hapless tourist missed his flight and lost his luggage. Callous. Insensitive, unkind. Example: his callous remarks hurt everyone in the room. Haughty. Arrogant, superior. Example: her haughty attitude made her hard to approach. Oblivious. Unaware, clueless. Example: he was oblivious to the fact that he was blocking traffic. Inept. Incompetent, unskilled. Example: the new chef was so inept that he burned the soup. Incessant. Constant, never stopping. Example: the incessant noise from the construction site made it hard to sleep. Vigilant. Alert, watchful. Example: the security guard stayed vigilant all night. Sarcastic. Mocking, ironic. Example: oh great, another meeting. Just what I needed. Futile. Useless, pointless. Example: it's futile to try fixing this old car. Ostracize. Exclude, shun. Example: the team ostracized him for cheating in the game. Apprehensive. Nervous, worried. Example: she was apprehensive about her job interview. Blatant. Obvious, undisguised. Example: the student's blatant cheating got him caught immediately. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.